sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, will be all about the recap sa ating kaarawan last Thursday. But subscribe na to our YouTube channel. At gusto mo mag-like, shares, and comments and views, aabuti ng 500 if supported natin sa ating social media account. Ang ating latest vlog, 296 and episode 296 entitled 29 birthday na, road to 30 pa. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Ito, panoorin natin muna yung highlights ko na yung kaarawan. Okay, last Thursday, the 19th of December, is me, Gabby, now 39, from 29 years old. And next year, 30 next year na. That, syempre may birthday food ko, which is McDonald's. And, syempre, kapag nangyari dito ay, kumakain kayo ng masarap na pagkain from McDonald's. Like, McFlurry, tiramisu, at saka yung BBQ Place Chicken Barbecue para sa 29 birthday. Yan ang birthday food ko. And of course, may birthday gift ko. Kaya unfortunately, mali talaga yung birthday gift ko. Ang dapat talaga is yung vintage radio AM FM with with Bluetooth speaker daw. Mali. Mali kasi yung sinabi. Hindi yung karaoke speaker. Ang correct talaga is British radio na may Bluetooth speaker. Pero, bibili kita next time. At, wow! Yesterday, merong akong nangyari na nanandaram ako. Medyo nahilo, naputlaan, nalalanta. Siyempre, nag-perform na ako na sa office Christmas party at hindi na mag-Christmas party samahan ko dahil uuwi ako na 6 p.m. At may regalo for me is bag. Courtesy of my Tita Mau. And always remember, gift giving is fun. And of course, sa kumanta ng yung kay Icy Guerra, yung sa office Christmas party, enjoy po yung kantang ATM. Now, streaming other Himig Handog Pilpop songs is now on Spotify and iTunes. Supportan natin yan. And, next week will be another Christmas party, but this is sa mga kids and other fans. December 28, kakanta ako ulit na ATM. Kaya, hopefully, happy birthday to me and belated sa yung lahat. Ayan, maraming salamat po and pag-greets. Kaya pray na natin para mawala yung sakit ko. And let's pray for the world. Thanks for watching. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.